beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video because this is long overdue. I have been searching high and low for these products. I haven't ordered them online. I was trying to go to local stores in order to get them, and I finally found them. I'm super excited to share with you guys my review and my demo with a braid out of the new Crème of Nature Pure Honey line. I only got 3 of the products, so I'm not particularly reviewing the entire line, but you will see a braid out, my braid out, and I tried something new and different, and I'm excited about that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, before you watch this video, remember to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video, and go check out the rest of my other videos after this video. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So first things first, the first thing I did to my hair was a rice rinse slash deep conditioning slash pre-poo DIY treatment that I do. I have not shown you guys that process yet, but I will show y'all when I knock out some of the kinks and get it to perfection. Like, I have to make sure that it is right on my hair in order for me to share it with y'all so y'all can use it on your hair. So I did that treatment, and then I layered it with the deep conditioning treatment from the Crème of Nature's line. So I layered that with the new Crème of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. And when I tell y'all, I was so shook by how it just raked through my hair, because it's sort of like a mud mask, if that makes sense. It's a deep conditioning treatment that's very liquefied and moisturizing. It has no sulfates, no mineral oils. It's rich in coconut oil and creamy shea butter and pure honey, and it was a blessing to my hair as a deep conditioning treatment. So I let that sit onto my hair for a good hour. And then after that, I started the process of washing my hair. Now y'all know how I am about washing my hair and showing y'all that in the shower situation. Y'all, I apologize in advance because it ain't the best. However, it is what it is. And don't think I'm up in the shower naked, because I'm not. I have on a bandeau, whatever you call it, little thing, little strip over your titties and stuff, over your boobies, my bad. So in order to shampoo my hair, of course I use the Crème of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no silicones. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So this consistency is very liquidy and very water based, if that makes sense. The first ingredient is, of course, water, and that's why it's very liquidy, and it's really good on the hair. It does not strip the hair. That is the main thing that I look in the shampoo. I do not want my hair to be very stripped of all the minerals and the natural oils that are on my hair. So I have to find a shampoo that is very great with that, and this shampoo is very moisturizing. When I say moisturizer, I mean moisturizing. It almost feels as if I'm putting a conditioner on my hair as opposed to a shampoo. I got tongue twisted, my bad. So when I shampooed my hair, I shampooed each section twice. I sectioned my hair in 4 sections as always, and then I shampooed each section by section, and I shampooed each section twice. And the reason why I did that was because of all the flakes that I knew I would get from my DIY treatment that I'm doing and that I'm going to perfect. But that's the only reason why I shampooed twice, but it didn't strip anything out of my hair. It actually added moisture to my hair, and I was shocked by that. This is by far my favorite shampoo. The shampoo says that it cleanses the hair, helps restore moisture for healthy looking hair, detangles and softens, provides healthy shine, and it did just that. No lies whatsoever. Hands down, my favorite shampoo. Once I shampooed, of course, I conditioned my hair with the Crème of Nature's Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner for dry, dehydrated hair. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, and no mineral oils, which, of course, again, amazing for the hair. And when I tell y'all this conditioner is super thick, it took me so long to actually squeeze out the conditioner. I'm not joking. Look for yourself. It is super thick, super creamy, and super moisturizing all in one. And when I say this right here, this the truth. Like, I love this conditioner. I am so excited to go back to the store to get the leave-in conditioner that they have with this line, because if this works well, I know that that works amazingly. But anyway, it has enough product in here. You don't have to use that much on your hair, because I thought, because my hair is super thick and because I use so much moisturizer, not moisturizer, so much conditioner on my hair when I'm using a different conditioner, that I will have to use a lot of conditioner on my hair in order to achieve the moisturized, conditioned hair that I usually have. No ma'am, no sir. This worked well without putting so much on my hair. I didn't have to put that much. Just one squirt, even though it took too long to squirt it out. It took one squirt and that's it. So after I conditioned my hair, the next thing I did was, of course, take a t-shirt and dry my hair. about 95% of my hair, and then I went through and detangled my hair. This is when my DIY treatment came in handy. Y'all, I never in my life thought I would be able to break a comb through my hair and just glide it through my hair with one pass, on the first pass. I swear, hands down, I never thought that my hair could detangle that quickly and that easily with one pass. And it's all because of that DIY treatment that y'all gonna see later. But anyway, after I detangled my hair and after my hair air dried a little bit, I did blow dry my hair on medium heat, low setting. And the reason being is because my roots take so long to dry, and my hair does better when it's kind of stretched. But because I detangled my hair with a comb, with a Denman brush, I didn't really have to stretch that much. I literally had the blow dryer on each individual section of my hair for tops 30 seconds, and I'm not even joking. That's the fastest my hair has ever been blow dried in history of blow drying my hair, and it's because of a combination of the products that I use. So I'm excited about that, and that made me happy because it didn't take that long. So the next thing I did, of course, was section my hair off and start on my braid out using none other than the Crème of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream for dry, dehydrated hair. This is my new favorite moisturizer. I am going to the store to buy 2 more of these jars because this right here, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones. It's silicons, you know what it is. It's pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. When I say this is creamy and so good on my hair, and it just melts in my hair when I put it onto my hair, and the fact that it smells so freaking good. It smells so good. I don't know if y'all will like the scent or not, but I love this scent. My husband loves this scent. Like, I was shocked of how it smells so freaking good. The consistency is very creamy. It is what it says. It is a creamy shea butter type of consistency, and I'm here for it all day, all day, all day, all day. And then, of course, I had to do something a little bit different with my braid out because I got tired of my hair just being parted down the middle, or like, you know, with nothing fun in my hair. I have to be more fun with my hair. I used to be, and then I just got stuck on one style. So I put a little design in my hair, and of course I use, yet again, Crème of Nature's, you know, perfect edges in order to perfect those edges on the side where I have the design. when I took my hair down, it was very, now I do this on purpose. I manipulate my hair a lot so it won't look like first day hair. So when I pull my hair apart in order to take my hair down, I always have a little frizz somewhere, and I'm okay with that because it looks like day 2, day 3 hair, which is what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm very pleased with my hair and the way it came out. I love it. It's full, it's fluffy, it's soft, it's defined, it's frizzy in some spots because I wanted it to be. It just looks so good and feels so healthy. And if y'all haven't noticed, my hair has grown a little bit, and I'm so proud of myself for that because I've been taking really good care of my hair and it's really showing, and I cannot stop looking at the mirror because my hair is flawless in my eyes and I love it. Y'all, go out and buy these hair products. If you have type 4, type 3, whatever type hair you have, especially for the girls that have my type of hair, type 4. I'm 4A, 4B hair. Well, I have 4A, 4B hair and some 4C hair somewhere in my hair. My hair is a mixture of all textures. So all textures on the spectrum of that, you know, number 4 or whatever. But my hair loves it. It's very moisturizing. This is my favorite hairline thus far. You ain't even gotta break your pockets in order to get this. Y'all can go to y'all local drugstore. Y'all can go online. Y'all can go to Sally's. Y'all can get this for under one of these things. The shampoo, the conditioner, only got it for like $5-6 a piece. Like, y'all not breaking y'all pockets to get this. I'm not even sponsored in this video. I just love Crème of Nature products, and this line that they came out with is the real MVP. It's gonna make your hair look flawless, moisturized, soft, feel soft, easy to detangle. The detangling part, I think I got something to do with it with my DIY stuff, but I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret later as far as that. But this line, go get it, go try it out, and if it works well with your hair, make that a staple product in your household because that stuff is the real MVP and I love it. So yeah, I'm done rambling. I'm done talking to y'all because like I can't get enough of my hair. I can't get enough of these products because I just got the plug. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Well, it's not really a review. I don't even know what to call it. I'm just excited about this product. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to thumbs up it, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and go check out the rest of my videos after this video. And while y'all at it, just go click that bell as well so y'all can get notified whenever I upload, because I'm going to be uploading more frequently and I'm excited about that because I got so many things in the works. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, see y'all next time. Deuces, y'all.